Good morning, Standard 3. Children, today we are going to start our next topic, internet terms. Okay. So, before starting the topic, internet terms, let's discuss uses of internet. Okay, just I'm going to recall some uses of internet, those points we had discussed in last video. Okay. So, uses of internet we had seen. We can play online games, then we can download music, songs, okay, games, whichever you like, you can download. Okay, then we had discussed about booking tickets, railway reservation ticket, or it can be a air flight ticket or cinemas ticket. So, can be downloaded from internet. Then we had talked about email. Email, it's electronic mail which can be sent and received through computer. Okay. So using internet we can send emails. Then search information. So any sort of information, information if you want. Okay. So from internet you can search. Okay. Anytime, any topic. Clear? Whichever subject you like, if you want to know something more about that topic, about that subject, so you can go through the internet and can get information. That is why sometimes we call internet is an ocean of information. Online newspaper we can read. Okay. Then online chatting. So we can do on computer. There are various chatting apps on your mobile phone. WhatsApp, WeChat, many are there. So chatting we can do, okay, with our friends, with our relatives using internet. Then we had discussed about online shopping. Okay, so at home you can do shopping. No need to go to market. From home only we can do marketing. So these uses of internet we had discussed in previous video. Now today we are going to start our next topic, internet terms. So first term is website. Okay, there are several terms which are used in the internet. Okay, so first one is website. So what is website? Website is a collection of web pages. Okay, it is just like a book. So whichever information you get through the internet, it comes in the form of website and its web pages. Understood? School provides you books, okay, to make you informed, isn't it? To teach you, school uses book to teach our students. And internet provides information in the form of website and website pages, web pages. Okay. So website, it is a collection of web pages. It is just like a book, and each website has its related information. Suppose it's a website of shopping website, or website of any sort of website. Okay. So we are school, Carmel School. We also have our website. Okay. So website can be related with the school or college or hospital. Even a small shopkeeper nowadays, they also make a website for their business. Understood? So website gives information. Okay. Internet provides us information in the form of websites. Clear? And each website has number of web pages. Okay. In your book also you can see here one example is given of this one, G-Ram Book Publisher. Okay. So this is website of this publishing house, G-Ram Books Private Limited. Okay. So this is publishing house. So they also have one website. So nowadays, Website is used to inform people. Okay, through internet, if you want to inform about yourself, about your business, about your product, so we can use website for that. Okay, then website. See, this is another example of website. This is Antarctic program website. Okay, so in this website many information is given. Okay, and each website contain information in the form of interlinked web pages. Okay, website contain number of web pages, and each web page is linked with other web page. Okay, that is why it is written website contains information in the form of interlinked web page. In every book you see there are several pages, isn't it? So from book we get information through the pages. In every page there is text is written, pictures are drawn, isn't it? So website gives information. This is web page. Okay, each screen of website is a web page. Okay, every screen, remember this, every screen of website is a web page. Okay, now web page is a page of website. Each screen of website is a web page. Just now I told you. So each web page contains text, graphic, animation, audio, video. Okay, so here in this picture you can see pictures are there, video can be shown, text can be written, pictures, audio can be inserted in a web page. Understood? And through this text, graphic, animation, internet provides us information. Okay, so web page is a part of website, or web page is a page of website, we can say. Okay, so in every website there are several pages. In this picture also here you can see these are two web pages. Okay, first page it is of Google search engine web page. Okay, and this it is showing solar energy link, and when you click on this link it shows another screen. Okay, so this is web page, this is web page, and here you can see this is video of web page, and text is written about solar energy. Okay, so internet provides us information in the form of website and web page, and each web page contains text, graphic, animation, audio, video. Okay, so using this we can get information on the internet. Okay, so web page, these are two web pages I'm showing you in this on the screen. Okay, now next topic is home page. Okay, so home page is the first page of website. Okay, every website contains one home page. It is like a title page of a book. Okay, every book has its title page, no? So your computer book also has one title page. Okay, so just like a title page, home page is just like a title page. It introduces the website and provides several links to surf on website. Understood? So first page, here you can see your book has shown this web page. Okay, this is first home page of Jiram Books Private Limited. Okay, this is home page of this website, and you can see there are so many links. Okay, it's introducing the website, this page. Okay, and provides here so many links to search on this, to surf on this website. Clear? So home page is the first page of website, title page of website, you can call it title page, home page, first page, main page of a website. Clear? I hope you understood this. Home page is a first and main page of website. Clear? It provides links. Okay. Home page provides several links to surf on the website. Clear? Remember all these things. Now, next topic is hyperlink. Okay. Hyperlink. Hyperlink. A web page contains several hyperlinks. Okay. When we move the mouse pointer over a hyperlink, it changes its shape to a hand. Here you can see. Okay. When pointer changes into this shape, okay, that means that text is not an ordinary text. Understood? Wherever your pointer changes into hand shape, okay, changes into hand shape pointer, means that text is, or that text or that picture, that icon is a hyperlink which can connect a web page to another web page. Okay, here it is written, a web page contains a hyperlink. Web page contains hyperlink. Hyperlink can be underlined, highlighted. Hyperlink can be underlined, highlighted word or a special picture to which when we point the pointer changes into hand shape as shown in the above picture. So hyperlink takes us to its interlinked web page. Understood? So this is hyperlink. Okay. Every web page. In this picture also here you can see. Okay. So this is the hyperlink. It is in blue color, highlighted with the blue color. Okay. And here when you click now, so it will take to this next interlinked page. Okay. It opens next interlinked web page. So hyperlink is used to connect web pages. Hyperlink is used to connect web pages. Here you see. See, 5-6 web pages are here. Okay, and each web page has its hyperlink. Okay, to connect to another web page. This hyperlink connecting to this page. Okay, this hyperlink is connecting to this one, and this hyperlink it's connecting to this page. Okay, this one, this hyperlink it's connecting to this web page. So every web page in a website, no, every web page is connected to another web page through the hyperlinks. Okay, remember this. I hope you understood hyperlinks. Hyperlink, it can be a picture, it can be highlighted word, underlined word, and when we move mouse over these special words or special picture, pointer changes into hand shape. Okay, and it indicates that this word is a, or this picture is a hyperlink. It's not a ordinary. Okay, means it is a hyperlink. Okay, so hyperlink, I hope you understood. Now our next topic is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Okay, so World Wide Web is the largest collection of information on the internet. It is given on page number 56. Next topic is World Wide Web. Largest collection of information on the internet. Actually, internet we call it ocean of information. Ocean of information, that ocean is actually World Wide Web. Okay, this www. Here it is written, no? www. This is World Wide Web. In this World Wide Web, okay, several web servers are used. Okay, in every web server there are number of websites. Thousands, in millions websites are there stored in server, and it is World Wide Web software, okay, which is used in those web server to store these websites. Okay, so World Wide Web, it is a collection, it is just like a library, you can call it World Wide Web. Okay, it is just like a library which contains several websites. We have no one library in our school, and there are so many books, isn't it? So likewise, World Wide Web contains several, means millions of websites. Okay, so, and you know, each website is a collection of information. Internet provides us information in the form of website. So that is why we call that World Wide Web is a collection of information. Okay, it is just like a library. It is just like a library of websites. We have library in school, that is the library of books, and World Wide Web is a library of websites. Okay, I hope you understood this. Largest collection of information in the form of website and web pages. It is like a library of website. www is a software part of internet. Okay, and www is invented by Mr. Tim Berners-Lee. It was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. It is a special software actually. Okay, which was invented by which was invented by Mr. Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, so this is World Wide Web. Okay, next is search. Okay, search engine, Google. Here you see, this is Google. Okay, so Google is a search engine. It is a search engine, and it is used to search information on internet. Okay, so it is a special software. Okay, Google, there's many search engines are there. Bing, Ask, Google, many are there. Okay, but the most popular one is Google. All of you are I know you are familiar with this Google. Everyone knows Google. It is a search engine. Okay, so through search engine we can search any information on the website. Here you can see it is Google search engine. This is web page of Google search engine, and here is the topic written, solar energy. Okay, so topic you have to write in the box you want to know. Okay, if you want to know about solar energy, so in search box you have to type, and this is search button. Okay, when you click over this, so several websites gets opened. Understood? Here you see so solar energy, solar power. Okay, so if you want to know about solar energy, so it will open its interlinked page of solar energy. Understood? So search can be done through the search engine, and here is the total process is written how to search on internet. Okay, Google, it is search engine. This is search box. Here we type topic which we want to know, then several websites name appears. Okay, you have to choose the required one, then you click on the hyperlink so its web page gets open. Understood? So this is search. I hope you understood now. Next topic is ISP. Next topic is ISP. Okay, so this is ISP, Internet Service Provider. There are several internet service providers company. These service provider companies, they have access to the internet. Okay, these companies has connection with the internet. Okay, and these companies provides us internet facility on our computer. Okay, so these are actually mediocre between us and internet. Okay, we don't have direct access to the internet. General people don't have direct access to the internet. We have to go through these ISP, Internet Service Provider Company. We pay them money, okay, and in return they give us internet connection. Okay, and you can see here www it is written. Okay, because this is World Wide Web. This is actually collection of information. As I told you, there are several web servers which has several websites, and to maintain this website in web server, here we need www software. Okay, www it is a software of internet. Okay, so ISP, these are the companies. Here you can see which companies: Airtel, not Tel, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, Reliance, okay, MTNL. These are companies. Okay, these are given in your book, page number 57. Okay, Airtel, Vodafone, these are popular ones. Okay, Idea, Jio, the popular ISPs. Okay, which provide us internet connection. Okay, so this is internet. Okay, and next topic is web browser. So web browser, it's a software which is required to open web pages. Here you can see these are small icons of web browsers. Okay, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, these are popular browsers. Okay, we need this browser, okay, to open internet. These are special software. Okay, through this we can open website. Actually all website and web pages, these are special software which can be opened only on web browser, Okay, if we have these web browser in our computer, then only we can open websites. Okay, websites of internet. If we don't have, okay, these web browser in our computer, if we don't have, so we cannot open websites. Clear? So to open websites, we need ISP connection, we need browser. Understood? These are essential part for internet connection. Remember this. ISP, Internet Service Provider companies connection we should have, and on our computer we should have web browser, special software. Google Chrome we should have. If in your computer or in your mobile phone you don't have Google Chrome, okay, or you don't have Mozilla Firefox, so you cannot open website. Means any website you should have in your, it can be Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Opera. So many are there. So popular one is Google Chrome. I know you are already knowing this web browser. Okay. So this is essentially needed to open website. Okay. So in your quick quiz question, it is asked, do you have an internet connection at your home? What is the name of the ISP? Okay, which company's connection do you use to write that name? Here it is asked. So write name, whichever companies, Airtel or Idea or Jio, whichever you have connection. Okay. So this is your chapter. We have done it. Okay. So in next video, we will start our next chapter using internet. Okay, questions I already sent you. Okay, I hope you have done it. Some more questions I will give you in upcoming days. Okay, till then, bye.